In this video, we'll go through the real reasons why a Hisense TV won't turn on and walk step by step through proven fixes that actually work. Step 1. Power issues. One of the most common reasons a Hisense TV won't turn on is a power problem. This could be as simple as a loose power cable, a faulty wall outlet, or a bad surge protector. Always make sure the power cable is firmly plugged into both the TV and the wall. Try plugging another device into the same outlet to confirm it's working. If your TV is connected to a power strip or extension cord, plug it directly into the wall instead, as surge protectors often fail without obvious signs. Step 2. Remote problems. Sometimes the TV itself is fine, but the remote control is the real issue. Dead batteries, signal interference, or a faulty remote sensor can prevent the TV from responding. Replace the remote batteries and try turning the TV on using the physical power button located on the TV itself. If the TV turns on this way, the remote is likely the problem and may need replacement or repairing. Step 3. Power reset. A power reset is one of the most effective fixes for a Hisense TV that won't turn on due to software glitches or residual electricity. Unplug the TV from the wall and wait at least 1 full minute. While it's unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV for about 30 seconds. This drains leftover power from internal components. Plug the TV back in and try turning it on again. Step 4. Indicator light. The standby or indicator light on your Hisense TV can provide useful clues. If there is no light at all, the TV is likely not receiving power or has a failed power board. If the red standby light is on, but the screen stays black, the TV is getting power but failing to boot properly. In some cases, a blinking light can indicate an internal error. Different blink patterns may point to power supply, mainboard, or panel issues depending on the model. Step 5. Software glitch. Firmware or software problems can also prevent a Hisense TV from turning on. This often happens after a failed update or a sudden power outage. If the TV partially turns on or shows a logo before shutting off, corrupted software may be the cause. If you can access the settings menu at any point, updating the TV to the latest firmware can fix startup issues. If none of the basic fixes work, the problem may be internal hardware failure. Common causes include a faulty power supply board, damaged mainboard, or internal component burnout. These issues often occur after power surges, aging components, or overheating. At this stage, opening the TV yourself is not recommended unless you have technical experience.